Good morning, Facebook Live. Look at this bullshit out here I gotta put up with. I gotta go to Harlem. I'm right here in the boogie down. R.I.P. to Lou. R.I.P. to my nigga Lou. First, I gotta pay my respects to homie before I pass this corner. Look at this shit. I'm walking in the street. Damn snow. This bullshit, man. Neighborhood I fucking grew up in. Shit. I remember when I was living in Detroit, yo, about 22 years ago, back in 99, yo, we was snowed in for half of 1999. I ain't trying to go back through that shit again. Not in New York, baby. Not in New York. This bullshit, man. Heading out to work right now. I don't even want to go to work, but money talks, bullshit walks, you dig? Fuck. Damn it. Look at this fucking sidewalk here. Shit. Damn slushy. Shit, NYPD right there. Jaywalk my fucking ass. I can't get on the sidewalk. Talking about jaywalking. If I get locked up, at least it'll save me a day from going through this disaster, right? Shit. I'm over with the hood, where all the Latins at. Yeah. Shit, I'm over by the projects, yo. That's my hood right here. Shit. Shit, I gotta get the fuck up out the way, cause that car coming. Another one coming. Shit. A lot of these shits is on the construction. Bad thing about I don't give a fuck what anybody say about New York. I was born here. I lived here my whole life. I just missed 5 years of my life here. That's all. About 5, 6 years. That ain't shit. I've been living back in New York for about 19 years now. Whoa. Morning, officer. Shit. This shit. New York City. We on the ice right now. Shit, is my right of way to walk? Shit, look at this bullshit I gotta go through. At least I got tomorrow and Wednesday off. Keep rising, New York City. Shit. Man, if I slip, I swear to God, I'm gonna sue. Look at this bullshit here. Swear to God, if I slip, I'm gonna sue these motherfuckers. Shit. Later.